Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and this is our second strategy for today. We are back on the MT5 trading interface again. So first thing you have to do is to create an MT5 trading account for those who don't have a trading account if you want to use this strategy. And many of you are not aware that you can make a lot of money on the MT5 trading interface. So for those who already have an account, all you need to do is to open an MT5 trading account. So to open an MT5 trading account, use this link right here. This is the link. We're going to paste it in the video description on YouTube. So once you click on the link in the video description on YouTube, you first open a Deriv account. So when you open your Deriv account, you log into the app.deriv.com interface. Then on the top left corner, where you see your dTrader, dBot, DMT5, Deriv X, Martigale, and binary bots, you click on DMT5. So once you click on the DMT5, once you log in, then you go to the real account, you click on it, then you add real account under the synthetic indices. This is where you open. Don't open this or this. This is what you open. You open the real synthetic indices account. So once you found your account, then you click on this thing. It's going to open this interface. Is the MT5 trading interface. Once you click on it, it's going to log you in. And then you see your balance right here. So we're going to be trading the Crash 300 index. So you can see it's not visible here. Then this market watch, in case when this thing opens and you're not seeing the market watch, let me close it. You can see I've closed everything. Everything is clean now. So we're going to open it again. So market watch is on that view. That's on the top corner after the file. You can see where my mouse is. You have to place your mouse on the top corner where you see file, view, insert, chart, options, help, and all that. So you just click on view, then you open the market watch. So here we are going to be trading the Crash 300. You can see it's not visible here, so I'm going to click on under this ad. I'm going to click on it, then you type CRA8. You can see it right here. Then you scroll down and click on Crash 300. So you are going to right click on it, then you open the chart window. You click on chart window. You set this thing to M1. You click on M1 here. Then make sure you unmark the one-click trading. One-click trading, you can see is currently marked. So I'm going to unmark it by clicking on it. You can see I've unmarked it. So you have to unmark it. So we're going to be buying here again, just like the first strategy we dropped. So once this thing shows up, you can see this is the rebound. This tick candle means it falls. You can see it right here. You can see it right here. So the Crash 300, you can see the tick candle right here. You can see it right here. You can see right here. So here we're going to wait for this thing to show this white bus, this light bus. You can see it's black here. We're watching the last bus, so you can see it's white there. So we click on buy. So then we'll be watching the profit here. So once you have to double click on this trade for this thing to show up. So once we are in profit here, we're going to close it. You can see we're already in profit. Let's wait to hit more profit. That's 6. Okay, you can see I've closed that trade. We made $6 there. So you have to watch again. If you want to trade again, you have to watch again. Make sure you see this light bus, and you have to be fast with it. Don't leave it for so long to hit huge profit. You can see it's black again here. So if you leave it for so long, it can rebound, and once it's black, you will lose your money. So make sure after a few seconds, once you are in profit, you quickly close the trade. So once you trade like 4 or 5 times, just wait for a few hours to trade again. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. And for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, there's a boat right there, and here are some of the results. It's just 9.99 USD. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. The PIPSREAPER boat as well is the PIPSREAPER boat that trades on digits. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit www.binarypipsreaperboats.com.ng, and don't forget to subscribe to our channels. So these are the links again. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube, and this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boats. This is the link to sign up for a trading account. Even if you want to open an MT5 account, use this link to open the Deriv and MT5 account. And these are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels for more updates. Thanks for watching. Bye.